Hello everyone, you welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be here once again. So I know from the title you already know what today's video is all about. So in my last class on how to monetize your expertise, I got a lot of questions on a particular tip I gave on how to monetize your expertise, which is to create an online course. And a lot of questions kept coming in even to my DM on how to create an online course. Now, I made it clear, especially in that class, that creating an online course is one of the ways you can monetize your expertise, to monetize your knowledge and the simple things you know. But in order for you to make money from this online course, it's important that you know how to not just create this online course, you should also know how to sell it. Okay, so when it comes to the marketing and sales, it's important you know how to do this. So today I created a step-by-step video guide on how to create an online course and how to sell it. Okay, so this video guide is how to create a successful sellable online course that will earn you some good money. Okay, one thing is creating an online course. The main deal is selling that online course and making money out of it. So in today's video guide, you're going to learn it step by step on how to successfully do this and make money. Okay, so if you're an OG on this channel, you're welcome back. Thanks for always coming back to the channel. Thanks for always tuning in. But if you're a newbie, what are you waiting for? Why don't you join the family? We're trying to get 500. We're still trying to get 500. Please join the family, hit the subscribe button, click on that notification bell so you don't miss out anytime I upload new videos like this. Okay, and make sure you share this video with your friends that might also be interested on how to create an online course and sell it and make money. Okay, so let's get right into today's video.
Have you ever thought about turning your knowledge into a profitable online course? Imagine the possibilities as you tap into the power of the internet to share your insights, skills, or expertise with the world. You can generate a passive income, reach a global audience, and make a meaningful impact. It's about leveraging what you know and turning it into a valuable resource for others. If you have, you're on the right path. Now let's move on to the first steps to take. The first step is to identify your course topic. This isn't just about picking a subject you're familiar with. It's about choosing a topic that you're knowledgeable and passionate about. Why? Because passion is infectious. It's the secret ingredient that will make your course stand out, and it's what will keep your students engaged and eager to learn. But how do you identify potential course topics? Start by making a list of what you know. This could be anything from your professional skills to personal hobbies to life experiences. Then look for the intersection between what you know and what people want to learn. You can do this by conducting surveys, researching online, or even just asking around. Remember, the best courses are those that solve a problem or fill a need. So think about how your knowledge could help others. Once you've identified your course topic, you're ready for the next step. The next step is to plan your course content. Now that you've identified your course topic, it's time to break it down into manageable sections or modules. Think of your course as a journey you're guiding your students on. Each module is a checkpoint or stage in that journey. It's essential to make sure that your modules build on each other in a logical progression. This helps your students to grasp the information in a structured and comprehensible way. But how do you decide what goes into each module? Imagine you're telling a story. Your course topic is the overarching plot, and each module is a chapter. Each chapter should have a clear objective and contribute to the overall learning goals of the course. For example, if you're teaching a course on gardening, you might have a module on soil preparation, another on choosing the right plants, and another on maintenance and care. Once you've broken your topic down into modules, it's time to create a course outline. This is a detailed plan of everything you're going to cover in your course, from start to finish. Your course outline is like a roadmap, guiding you as you create your content. And remember, variety is the spice of life. Different types of content cater to different learning styles. Some people learn best by reading, others by watching videos, and others by doing. Try to incorporate a variety of content types in your course, such as text, video, audio, quizzes, and interactive elements. This not only caters to different learning styles, but also keeps your course engaging and dynamic. Planning your course content might seem like a daunting task, but it's an essential step in creating a profitable online course. It ensures that your course is structured, comprehensive, and caters to different learning styles. Plus, it gives you a clear roadmap to follow as you create your course. With your course content planned, you're ready to start creating your course. Now, it's time to create your course content. We all learn differently, so diversifying your course content can cater to a wider range of students. Think about the types of content you can create: video lectures, text-based content, quizzes, and interactive exercises are all great ways to engage your audience. Video lectures are a fantastic tool. They provide a personal touch and allow you to demonstrate concepts visually. However, creating effective video content involves more than just hitting record. Plan your lectures, write a script, and rehearse. Keep your videos concise, engaging, and to the point. Remember, you're not just teaching, you're also entertaining. Text-based content, on the other hand, provides a different kind of engagement. It allows your students to digest the information at their own pace. When creating text-based content, make it visually appealing. Break up large blocks of text with bullet points, headings, and visuals. Quizzes are another essential component of your course. They provide a way for your students to test their understanding and retain information. Be sure to provide feedback on quiz results so your students can learn from their mistakes. Don't underestimate the power of interactive exercises. These can range from simple tasks to complex projects. They encourage active learning and can help students apply what they've learned in a practical way. Creating engaging and effective content is all about understanding your audience. What are their needs? What are their learning styles? What are their goals? Once you understand these elements, you can create content that resonates with them. Remember, your course content should be a mix of different formats. This not only caters to different learning styles, but also keeps your course interesting and engaging. Use a variety of content to keep your students on their toes and eager to learn. The right mix of content will ensure that your course is engaging, educational, and effective. It will help your students learn and retain the information, leading to high completion rates and positive reviews. With your course content created, you're ready for the next step. The final step is to market your course. This is where you get to showcase your fantastic content to the world, and it's crucial to get it right. There are several strategies you can employ to ensure your online course reaches the right audience. Let's start with social media marketing. It's a powerful tool for creating awareness and engaging with potential students. You can use platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. to share interesting snippets from your course, testimonials, or behind the scenes pics to generate interest. Next, consider email marketing. Building an email list allows you to communicate directly with interested individuals. You can share updates about your course, offer special promotions, or provide valuable content that establishes your expertise. Forming partnerships is another effective strategy. This could be with influencers in your field or with relevant organizations. Their endorsement can significantly boost your course's credibility and reach. Now let's talk about pricing your course. This can be tricky as you need to balance the value you're providing with what your target audience is willing to pay. Research similar courses in your field. Consider the depth and breadth of your content and factor in your time and effort. While you want to make a profit, remember to keep it affordable and accessible. With your course marketed, you're ready to start making a profit from your knowledge. And that's it. You're now ready to create your own profitable online course. So, let's take a moment to recap what we've covered. First, we dug deep to identify your course topic. We explored your passions, your experiences, and your areas of expertise to find a subject that not only excites you but also offers value to potential students. Next, we moved into planning your course content. We talked about how to break down your topic into manageable, digestible segments that will engage your students and encourage them to keep pushing forward. Then we tackled creating your course content. We discussed the different types of content you can create and how to make them engaging and informative. And finally, we dived into marketing your course. We looked at how to leverage social media to reach your target audience and how to effectively communicate the value of your course to potential students. Remember, the world is waiting to learn from you. So, get started on your online course today.
So I hope you gained value from today's video. I hope you learned something. So go out there, share this video with your friends that might also be interested in what I've shared here. Until next time, stay blessed. Bye.